Hey guys, sorry about there's some wires in the video, there's some shadows, also there's a snap bracelet. Sorry about that. Hey guys, it's Origami Warriors. Today we're going to be making a pocket knife. Now to start, I've just folded in half like this, and then unfolded and fold like that, and like this. Pause the video now if you need to catch up. If not, you're going to want to make a right angle like this. Not a right angle, just like it will look like a square if you cut off that. And same on this side. Okay, good. Now turn it over. And you'll find when you take this corner that if you fold it a little this way, there's a little flap here. At that flap, you just want to fold. So then you have this shape. And it's like the same over here. Great. Now you're gonna flip it. No, actually, yeah, you're gonna flip it out. No, you flip it like this and fold straight to the middle. Now that you have that all set up, you're gonna fold this like this, and you might start seeing this coming along. So you keep it like this, and over here you take pick one edge, pick one side, take that edge. So let's pick this side. We're gonna take this edge and fold it to the line with that crease. But before you do this, you might want to check on the back how much your thing has gone apart. It will look fine, but if you want, you can make this look a teensy bit better if you just fold it back a little. So we're gonna do it. So we already did it here. Now we're gonna do it here. It's hard to avoid the thing on the back. And now you'll notice you have two folds right here and right here. You're gonna squeeze right here. Well, actually, you're gonna fold like this. First, you fold this down to the middle, and then this top edge to there, and this top edge to here. You don't have to do this, it just gives a better end result. Yeah, and you fold this back like this, but as you're doing that, hold this down to make a little blade. Now that you have the blade, you'll fold it down like that, and just maybe bend this a little and just crunch it up. Just crunch it. By the way, this was designed by Robert J. Lang. Maybe I said that, I forgot. And now you have your pocket knife, so you can reach in and pull it out and go all the way back down to make your concealable pocket knife. Origami Warriors signing out. Also, this is one of our weapons in our warriors playlist.